actors often go to great lengths to accurately portray a character on screen, including transforming their bodies. We begin with Amir Khan. Being the perfectionist that he is, the actor underwent intense training for 13 months to achieve his look for the film Gajni. 8 years later, he did the exact opposite and put on over 60 pounds for his look in the critically acclaimed film Dangal. The very talented Bhumi Pednekar took a huge risk by gaining over 50 pounds for her debut film Dum Laga Ke Haisha. It took the actress 6 months to put on the weight and then 1 year to lose it. In order to portray the role of the successful industrialist in Guru, Abhishek Bachchan had to look the part. Playing a character from the early 20s to an old age, Abhishek had to put on a considerable amount of weight and was able to successfully pull off the look. Randeep Hooda played the title role in the movie Sarjeet, for which he had to lose almost 40 pounds in 28 days, as he plays a farmer held in captivity in jail. With the weight loss and some clever makeup, the actor was unrecognizable. For the biopic Mary Kom, Priyanka Chopra took on the challenging role of playing a real-life boxer. One of the few actresses in this list, Priyanka put in a lot of effort and time to get the look right, and it paid off, as it won the actress many accolades and awards. Similarly, Farhan Akhtar went through rigorous training for his own biopic, Baag Milka Baag, where he plays one of the most legendary sprinters in the world. The actor trained with several well-known coaches to get the look of an Olympian runner just right. It's a well-known fact that Rithik Roshan is a fitness freak. However, for the movie Guzarish, Rithik played a quadriplegic, for which he had to let go of his strict exercise routine and diet. The actor looked the part convincingly and was appreciated for his performance. Another talented actress, Vidya Balan, put in an award-winning performance for the film The Dirty Picture, in which she portrayed the real-life South Indian star Silk Smita. For the role, the actress had to gain almost 30 pounds and looked sexy pulling it off. Salman Khan has done 2 films for which he changed up his look. In the 2003 film Tere Naam, the actor sported a different hairstyle with a wig, as well as shaving his head in the film as well. In 2016, the actor played a wrestler in the film Sultan, for which he gained weight for, something we're not used to seeing for the fit star. Shahrukh Khan isn't known to change up his look often, but for the movies Om Shanti Om and Happy New Year, the actor trained hard to get his 8-pack abs that involved following a strict diet and a lot of working out.